Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EliteEdge 44-inch large capacity, pull behind lawn sweeper, with adjustable sweeping height. There are features include: large capacity collection bag. Crafted from high-quality non-woven material with a generous 12 to 26 cubic feet capacity, approximate 340 to 736 liters. Collects more grass, leaves, and debris with fewer emptying stops for uninterrupted operation. The spinning brush height adjusts easily by hand, allowing seamless adaptation to sidewalks, driveways, yards, gardens, and various terrain types with a single machine. Features a widened metal-to-brush interface that significantly increases sweeping force, capturing approximately 80% of lawn debris in a single pass for superior cleaning efficiency. Advanced folding design enables compact storage in sheds or convenient wall mounting in garages, maximizing space utilization when not in use. Simply connect to a lawn tractor, and the powerful spinning brushes quickly scoop up leaves, grass clippings, and dry debris, making lawn maintenance effortless and time-saving. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.